everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to redeem codes easily in Doomsday. First of all, launch open your Doomsday, Last Survivors game on your Android or iOS device, and once you're inside the game's lobby screen, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now from the Commander info page, click on Settings at the bottom left. Inside Settings, tap on Gift Code option. Enter your gift code in the text box that appears on the screen. Carefully type in the code that you have. The codes are usually case sensitive. Double check for uppercase and lowercase letters, and after entering your code, click on Exchange. If your codes are correct, you'll see a confirmation message that your rewards has been added to your account. You can then get back to your game and check your inventory or rewards section to ensure the items, currency, or bonuses from the codes that are delivered successfully. And that's it. That's how you redeem a code in Doomsday Last Survivors game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.